Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Xiaomi Air Compressor model and ensuring the battery is at least 50% charged. This avoids shutdown mid-process. Once done, place the unit on a flat, stable surface and remove any protective caps from the nozzle. Connect the correct adapter for the valve type you will inflate. Make sure the hose clips align. In parallel, have a pressure gauge handy so you can verify target pressure later and avoid overinflation. Now you attach the hose to the compressor head, pushing until it seats securely. A click or firm resistance confirms a seal. Next, power on the unit and select the mode that matches your task. Auto will stop at preset pressure, manual lets you control, preset uses saved values. You should see LEDs and hear a startup tone. These confirm firmware and pump priming. Make sure to keep the valve connection steady. Leaks at this stage cause slow inflation and wrong readings. Begin inflation and watch the pressure rise. With auto mode, the compressor stops automatically at your target, while in manual you stop it yourself. Once done, depress the release to relieve pressure slightly before detaching the hose so you avoid sudden pops. If the unit shows an error, make sure battery charge is sufficient and reseat all connections. If it still fails, power cycle the compressor and retry. This reset often clears sensor hiccups and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.